Hey everyone, this is Maggie the GSC back with another C# tutorial. This is part 3 of my whole C# for beginners series, so make sure to go and watch the others if you haven't already. I'll leave a link in the description for them. Today we are going to talk about if and else statements in C#. So let's just get on with the video. If and else statements are also known as control or conditional statements. They basically control the flow of a program altogether. So that is the main definition of if and else statements. They control the flow of the program. So if let's just say if a boy gets good marks in maths, he will get a bicycle, but if he does not, he will not. So this is the main figure, the flow of the program. So if he gets good marks in maths, this goes like this, and he gets the bicycle. If he does not, he doesn't get the bicycle. So that is how the program goes if we code the program like this. And well, then if we have to define, let's say if we give an argument to a program and there's a constant, we say that the argument is smaller than the constant, then it prints out this. If the argument is smaller than or equal to a constant, then it prints out this. If the argument is greater than or equal to a constant, then it prints this. Now if you don't understand what arguments are, they are basically the numbers that, or even the values that we enter into the computer, well, the data that we enter into a computer. So let's get on. These are the basic symbols. This means lesser or smaller than or equal to. So the well, the argument is lesser / smaller than or equal to a constant. This means that the argument is greater or larger than or equal to the constant. This of course means that the argument is smaller than the constant. This of course means that the argument is greater than the constant. Now this means that the argument is equal to a constant. Now this is very crucial right here. You must keep this in mind. Always use two equal signs, not one. Many people tend to use only one equal sign, but that is wrong. Now let's get on with the coding. Alright, so I've opened the Microsoft Visual C# 2008 Express Agent here. You can use any IDE, it's up to you of course. Alright, so now I'm going to be creating a very simple program. If you don't understand any keyword or anything else in this, you can leave the question in the comment section below, or you can click on one of my videos to actually understand what these keywords are. So I'm defining using system, and then I'm defining namespace. A namespace is a container of classes. Always, let's say poly, and then we define a class, let's say my class, sorry, and then we do this public static void main. Now the main method always starts the program, so this is where the main program starts. This will print out how much did the boy get in maths. Now let's define an integer that is an argument to the program. Integer, let's say marks equal to convert to integer 32 console to read line. Now this may be a little complex for beginners, but I will explain everything in my previous C# video, so be sure to go check that out. Integer marks equal to convert that to any console to read line, and after that we do. Now this is where if and else statements start. If the marks are, let's say, greater than or equal to 90, then the program goes this way. It prints out the boy will get a bicycle. So as you can see here, I did this in brackets and this in braces, so this is very important. The condition must be in brackets and the main function of the if statement must be in braces. So I can also do that here. I have to tell you that I can also put this brace here as C# ignores well white spaces. So You can put this brace anywhere, it does not matter actually. Now the program goes like this again. Else if the marks are greater than, if the marks are smaller than 90, which means that that 90 is smaller than, greater than the marks, the program goes this way. The boy will not get a bicycle. Let's just end the program right here. And that is the main function of if and else if statements. Now let's try to execute the program. So this is asking for an argument. How much did the boy get in maths? Let's say 50. The boy will not get a bicycle. Now let's enter 90. The boy will get a bicycle. Now let's enter 90, 92. The boy will get a bicycle. As you saw, 90 and 92. Here 92 is greater than 90 and 90 is equal to 90. So the program goes this way. Well, the argument met these expectations or not these expectations. So the program went this way. That is the main function of the if and else statements. Now there is another statement known as else statement. Let's just erase this and write else console.writeLine. Now else statements do not require any condition, so that's the pro of them. Console.writeLine. The boy will not get a bicycle. So that is the main thing. Else the boy will not get a bicycle. If the value that we entered, the argument, is not equal to this condition, if the condition does not meet this, it will just go like this and nothing else condition. So let's try to execute this. How much did the boy get in maths? Let's say 91. The boy will get a bicycle. It's still the same, as you can see. 90. The boy will get a bicycle. How much did the boy get in maths? Let's say 80. The boy will not get a bicycle. How much did the boy get in maths? Let's say -9. The boy will not get a bicycle. So that is the main function of if and else statement. So that's it for the video. Actually, I explained to you what if and else statements are. There are also if else statements, which I will explain to you in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe. If you found this video helpful, like the video, of course. If you want to, it really helps me a lot. And well, that's it for the video. If you have any queries, leave them in the comment section down below. And well, goodbye.